Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we are doing something that I've never done on this channel, and that is looking at a rugby top. And obviously as a first rugby top it had to be the England one. So this was purchased from BestVZ1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to dhgate. It will just be from my usual seller and it won't be from this item, but I know some people like looking at dhgate for their products. So this shirt comes in a standard bag. On the flip side it is plain. I've say it feels quite thick. I don't think I've ever actually seen a rugby top in hand, so I don't know how thick they're meant to be or anything, but once we get it out of the bag we'll take a proper look. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But right now then, we will open this bag and we'll have a look at the England Rugby top that we purchased from BestVZ1.com. And as I said, all the details for the seller will be in the description of this video. To give you a quick close-up of the rose, so it is Umbro, and up there we have a sports performance tag. But right, let's get this bag open then and have a look at the England Rugby top. Okay, we're starting at the front and we do have a proper collar. Do like a proper collar. Got a bit of loose thread there, but you then have 3 buttons. The Umbro is embroidered in. Doesn't look too bad. The M is a bit wobbly, but all in all doesn't look too bad. English red rose, been embroidered into the material again. I'd be interested to see what that looks on the inside because that's quite a large emblem. The O2 has been heat pressed on, that feels lovely. Really smooth actually. The material is quite a glossy, shiny sort of material, like some of the football shirts that we've seen. I like that pattern down the side there. Actually looks like a school tie. But the material, yeah, it's a bit thicker than some of the football ones, but it has got the feel. Some of the retro ones actually. Then we have an official licensed Umbro product tag and an item code there as well. So again, like the football shirts, you have a code number on the inside, which I guess is to show whether they're authentic or not. Sleeves all look good, but yeah, that's just calling out for a school tie or something, that is. But yeah, there's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll have a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on the reverse side. We'll start again at the top. Collar looks fine going around, and then you've got the England St George's flag, which, as a lot of people know on the England football shirts, that's got a lot of criticism. But on this rugby top, they have kept the traditional red cross. But you can see through it, you can see the Umbro if I push in here, there. So there is, say, a bit of a thicker material. It's still relatively see-through. And you can see the product tag just there. But yeah, that red rose is quite visible. Stitching on the bottom looks fine. Couple of creases from the bag, obviously down there, up there. But once the shirt's been worn out and about, those creases will soon disappear. But there's the reverse side. We'll now take a look at the inside. Like I said, I'll be interested to see what that red rose is like because that's got a lot of stitching on it. Okay, we're now on the inside. Actually, look, the tie continues round. I didn't notice that actually, that where the buttons were, it had the material inside there. But there's the all-important England red rose, and that is quite a large crest. I wouldn't want to be wearing that without wearing an item underneath because I think that's going to rub. And the stitching on the Umbro is quite, there's a lot of loose cottons. To be fair, probably more on this than you see on the football shirts. And actually, when you're on the inside, you can see that some of the shape is slightly off. But on the outside, no real concerns. Stitching all looks good, a little bit of excess cotton there, but nothing to worry about. Hemline looks nice and tidy. Yeah, the joins all look absolutely fine. So I think you could wear this one quite comfortably, stretching around, no issues at all. Actually, I just noticed there's the O2. Yeah, that's got on nicely. Look, no creases in where that is at all. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt now. You've got the size out there of XL. And we have our sports performance tag, again XL, nothing fancy. I would have thought that being an England rugby top, that it would have had much more of a proper like Umbro branding tag than a sports performance, but maybe the rugby shirts are not as common for making replicas of like the football shirts, so that's why they just whacked a sports performance tag on it. We have our washing instructions down here, again quite a poor little tag, but my recommendation again would be the same as a football shirt. When you wash it, do it on a hand wash setting, and when you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it on a tumble dryer or anything. But yeah, stitching all looks pretty good on this one. There's the red St George's cross up there. But that's the inside of our rugby top. And there we have it. There's our first rugby top that we've looked at on this channel. The England Rugby top for the 24-25 season from BestVZ1.com. All details for BestVZ1 will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller that I buy my football shirts from. I know it will not have this item on there, but at least it gives you a link to dhgate, and you could probably search for the rugby tops. I'm not sure whether they're on there. I've never looked, to be fair. It's the first time I've ever got my hands on a rugby shirt to take a look at. But let me know in the comments how good this one is compared to the official ones. Like I said, I've never seen this one. I've never picked one up, so I'm not sure if it looks good or not. So someone please do let me know. If you have enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you have any comments, questions, messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But that is our England rugby top from BestVZ1.com. All details in the description of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.